5 Best Nail Guns. Here is the product number 5. Air Industrial Coil Nailer Nail Gun. Brand name, Airclaw. Type, coil nail gun. Capacity, 200-300. Power source, pneumatic. Model number, CN90B. Usage, commercial manufacture. Weight, 3.9 kilograms, 8.58 pounds, aluminum body. Magazine capacity, 200-300 nails. Here is the product number 4. Hilda Electric Nailer 2-in-1 Staple Gun. Brand name, Hilda. Type, framing nail gun. Capacity, U-shape or straight nail. Power source, electricity. Usage, renovation team. Hilda Electric Nailer 2-in-1 Staple Gun Framing Tacker U-shaped straight nail gun 1022 joules/F30/422 joules 6-speed 2000 watts woodworking tools. Here is the product number 3. FUJIWARA Electric Nail Gun Single Use/Double Use. Brand name, FUJIWARA. Capacity, F15 F30 nails, 415 joules to 422 joules nails. Model number, FUJIWARA F30C. Usage, home DIY. Power source, electricity. Type, framing nail gun. Voltage, 230 to 240 volts. Here is the product number 2. TASP 230 volts 2-in-1 electric nailer. The TASP 2-in-1 electric nailer and stapler is particularly suitable for processing thin foil, paper and soft wood. It is your perfect assistant for furniture, small craft, wood framing, DIY, renovation work and light-duty tasks. Rated input power, 45 watts. Nailing speed, 30 per minute. Working capability, staple 8-14mm/nail 15mm. Here is the product number 1. WORKPRO 4-in-1 Heavy-Duty Staple Gun. Special features, safety and convenience. Versatile, fixing woods, fastening material and affixing wire. Lock handle when not in use to ensure safety of both children and adults. Set handle lock on staple gun for more compact storage in a drawer, tool box, or backpack. Safety check. If staple gun hasn't been used recently, easily check to see if there are staples remaining in the staple gun before pressing handle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.